Okay, everybody, we need to make a quick correction to our overview paragraph for the table here. In the previous lecture, we had told you, in our previous lecture, when you look at the overview, it says basically in the food category, Spain and Germany occupy the highest and lowest percentages, while in the housing section of spending, we can see a reversal of these spots by Germany and Spain. We have a correction here we have to make to the first sentence, everyone. A correction to the first sentence, because Spain is not the top in the food category. All right, Spain is not the top in the food category. In the food category is Turkey. Turkey's at the top. Okay, Turkey's at the top in the food category. And so that's going to change while in the housing section of spending, we can see that in the housing section, right? So we have in the food category, we're putting Turkey has the top percentage and Germany has the lowest percentage. In the housing category, all right, the UK has the highest percentage in the housing category, and Spain is at the bottom. Spain has the least usage of funds, and the UK spends the most. All right, so I hope that now is more clear. We had to make a correction to our first sentence of our overview paragraph. When we're looking at an overview, okay, when we're looking at an overview paragraph, what we're looking at is we're trying to look at the just in general. We're trying to look at the different categories, and we're trying to talk about just in general. What are our high points? What are our low points? That's what we're looking at. All right, so this is a correction to the previous lecture where in our first sentence we had it mixed up in terms of the food and housing categories in terms of who spent the most and who spent the least. So I hope this now explains it a little bit better in terms of the proper correction for doing the overview paragraph for this table. Okay, so I hope that now explains things to you, and you can see it a little bit better, and that also is going to make a change in terms of our general our example 2, where we talked about Germany being the most in housing, clothing, and entertainment. Yeah, that's still consistent. No, I'm sorry, that's wrong. Yeah, this example number 2, we have to take that one out. Okay, because that's not going to be a good example of the overview paragraph. All right, so this is what our overview paragraph looks like for the table here. Okay, this is our example of the overview paragraph. We have our high-low for the food category, we have our high-low for the housing category, and then we have our high-low for the entertainment category also. Okay, so I hope this resolves everything for you guys in terms of the table, in terms of how it should be properly done, and now we can go ahead and move forward with looking at how we can do the specific paragraphs, the third and fourth paragraphs, in terms of comparing the numbers here. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon, and thanks a lot for your patience in terms of us making this correction to our overview paragraph. All right, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.